my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create this retro curly hairstyle using foam rollers. I personally really like using foam rollers for a couple of reasons. Number one, it eliminates the need for using heating tools like curling irons, which we all know can damage our hair. And two, they're pretty quick and easy to use. I pop them in, sleep in them overnight, they're pretty comfortable to sleep in, and then I wake up with soft bouncy curls. So here are the tools that we're going to be using today. The rollers that I use are these Hot Tools soft foam rollers. I got them at Ulta for around $7 or $8, so they're really affordable. You can usually find them at any mass retailer or beauty supply store, and of course online. They also come in two different sizes in this package. There's one that's just a little bit wider than the other one, and this one I use for the pieces in the front, so I get that big swoop and more volume in the front, and then the smaller ones, when I need to use them, I'll use them in the back. After I take the rollers out in the morning, I use two different brushes to brush through the curls and help give them shape. The first one is this wide brush, which is sometimes called a wet brush. It's meant to be used on wet or dry hair, but the main thing is you want a brush that doesn't have dense bristles. This was recommended to me by my hairstylist because it helps smooth your hair, but it won't brush your curls out and ruin all the hard work that we did. The second brush that I use is a medium round brush, just like this one, and that helps me get this shape here of the curls kind of going inward toward my face. So I'll just brush it in until they're nice and smooth and lay where I want them to lay. And then to keep everything in place and smooth out any flyaways that I have, I like to use some pomade, and this is Roll-On's water-based pomade. This I saw a lot of people using on Instagram. Some of my favorite retro and vintage bloggers on Instagram were using it, so I thought, why not give it a try? And I love it. It smells amazing. I think the scent is gardenia, but it smells like fresh cut flowers. So good. And then the packaging is just adorable. It's based on real vintage advertisements. So totally my style. And you just need a little bit to rub in between your palms and then kind of run through your hair and smooth everything out, especially for these pieces in the front that you don't want to move around a lot. It's great at holding everything in place. And then the last step is, of course, we need a really strong holding hairspray. The one that I've been liking, I got from my hairstylist. It's Kevin Murphy Session Spray. This is the one that has the strongest hold because they have a couple of different ones. I don't know that you can get it at any beauty stores. It might only be a salon thing, but it's really good if your hairstylist has it. It's a little pricey, so that's why I only get the small bottle and just don't use a lot of it. But any sort of strong hold hairspray is good to use. So those are all the tools and products that I used to create this look today. I'll make sure to link to everything in the description box, but for now, let's get started on this tutorial.